Hey everybody, Andy with Strategic Remodel here. We are in an amazing remodel that we just finished, and I would like to take you guys on a little tour through it, so come check out what we've done. Starting here in the living room, mostly just finishes, floors, paint, carpet. The fireplace here is probably one of the favorite parts of this room. It is enormous, it is beautiful. We completely redid that. And you guys will see some of that maybe in the previous pictures of the before photos. Step into this amazing kitchen space. What we had here, this kitchen was really crammed into this corner, and we had a very small island here. Had a window over on this side, and if you take a look to the left here, this is probably one of my favorite parts of the project is right here. This used to be an entire wall, closed in, little light. We had one door there, a dining room table. We had a few windows here, but it did nothing compared to what we have right here. Just this awesome open space. You can see outside. It really helped take two different spaces, being the outdoor space with the pool house, deck, and just melt it into one really awesome space for entertaining, parties, obviously hanging outside, inside, whichever way you want to go on that. All right, moving back over to this island here. It's enormous. What else can I say about it? I believe this island right here is about 14 feet long. We had to do a lot of framing, both for obviously the giant door over there, but to support this, it just doesn't get better than this. This is a Cambria slab here. It really helped take, again, two spaces and turn it into one. So we used to have the island over here, dining over here. If you look, we now have seating in here. It's functional with the sink leading into this awesome masterpiece. Custom made hood. Obviously Cambria again here, really opening up this space. And as I'll show you over here, these doors, now we have flow. When we're entertaining, we can flow all the way around this island, inside and out. So great feature to go with the island. All right guys, here in the laundry room. This used to be a very crammed, very small entryway, didn't make a whole lot of sense. There was actually a wall here, and then the laundry room was on this side. So obviously we opened this up, did some wall removals. We've got the stackables, drying station, utility sink, dogs. Maybe you've got some kids that are really good at grass stains, I don't know. It's always good to have a sink in there. And if you want to meet me on that other side, I'll show you what this door leads to. Ta-da! That's a walk-through pantry. So when you come in the laundry room, you can dump all your food, your groceries, and everything in there. And when you need access from this side, simple as that.
Wow. Favorite part about the new kitchen has got to be the openness and the way traffic flows, and the use of space, much more efficient than where we were before. Your process was very helpful for us. That you took us slowly through ideas where we were starting with more of a minimalistic approach, and you helped us see that we could open this kitchen up. And we initially really kind of held on to our dining table in here, and we then embraced, you help us understand that this island could replace it. And eventually through multiple renderings, pictures, talking with the cabinet folks, we see ideas and we see pictures that help us really visualize. I'm a visual person, so I've got to see it. And I saw it. And so that really helped me get over the hump to agree that, yeah, that's the right thing to do. projects are projects. I deal with projects at my work all the time. Things go wrong, they just do. And as a general contractor, you're dealing with issues, a lot of them aren't your fault. But it was impressive to me that I would tell others, and the reason I would refer you would be because you stick through it, through thick and thin, and you're dedicated to making it right, no matter what it is. So I really appreciate that.
Andy with Strategic Remodel, I really appreciate your time walking through this amazing project with us. If you have something in mind you would like some help with, give us a call, 316-737-7568. Check us out on the web, remodelks.com, or you can always find us on any social platform. We'll see you guys soon.